this is Rosati59 here to show you guys how to make this guitar head knife block. For starting off this project, I will be using maple wood. As you can see, one piece is thicker, this one is for the bottom, and the thinner piece is for the top. For setting up your router, you want to use the thickness of your blade and just go just a little bit higher, maybe about a 32nd of an inch. For sanding in the small groove area, I just used this tool with 100 grit sandpaper and just wrapped it around and then just went up and down till I was able to get to my pencil line and to make sure all bandsaw marks are gone. For cutting off the plugs, I'm using a handsaw that is flexible. That way it's easier to cut it nice and flush. As you can see, just got one more left here. Now you want to take a spray bottle with some water in it and just spray it lightly. All you want to do is you want to dampen it and raise the grain. That way when we put our finish on it, it will really soak into the wood and make it nice and smooth. I use 400 grit sandpaper to sand down the edges and all the corners to make everything nice and smooth. For applying your oil, I am using a blue paper towel to apply it on. And I've already done the bottom and all the edges. And this is the fun part, to watch the wood come alive. And you don't want to put too much on, just enough that it's going to soak in. And I'm going to let this sit and come back in 2 hours and wipe off any excess. For applying the wax, I make my own wax. I use paraffin wax and mineral oil together. And I've already applied it to the bottom and all the sides. Now I'm ready just to apply it to my top here. And once you have it all on, you want to let this sit overnight and then come back with a clean rag or paper towel and wipe off the excess and then give it a nice buff, and that will give you your satin finish look. If you didn't want to use it as a knife block, you can also turn it over on its bottom and you can use it as a cutting board or as a serving platter and serve your favorite kinds of meat, cheese, and crackers. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.